Hi, hello friends, welcome everyone. In this special video today, I am going to share the performance of Stratazon, the Amazon fund of trading strategies, and its overall scores as on today, and also its exclusive June performance. As you all know, we manage a fund called as Stratazon, which is a typical algo fund, 100% automated and a foolproof process. Please come in, let's deep dive into what this fund achieved in this current month. Friends, the equity curve of Stratazon has been positive for this month. In the month of June, rather last month, we achieved about 4.5% profit. At the same time, Nifty was a base candle. You guys know what a base candle is. If you don't know what a base candle is, please go back in time. There is an exclusive video that has been made on momentum and base candles. Alright, Nifty last month did about minus 4.85%, which was a loss. So when Nifty went down by 4.85%, we went up by 4.5%, and the cumulative result of this financial year stands at around minus 9.65 for Nifty. Last quarter, the Nifty fell about minus 9.65. However, in last quarter, we made about 12%. So officially, the alpha for the financial year stands at 21.5%. So what is alpha? Alpha is the distance between this number and this number. So this is A, this is B. The distance between A minus B, that is nothing but your alpha. Okay. So because we are up by 12%, the fund is down by around 10%. The official result is the gap between the current performance of Nifty and current status of our fund, the distance between the 2 points is about 21%, which we officially call as alpha. Now, so this is what has happened. This is what I was talking when Nifty went minus 9.65%. Alright. However, here our fund went up 12%. And this is our typical performance for the month of April, May and July. In April, Nifty made minus 2%, May it made around minus 4.39%, and June it made around minus 4.85%. So this number might slightly vary compared to the monthly chart in trading your investment. Reason is simple, I take expiry date as reference. I take first day of expiry to the last day of expiry. I don't take month on month. It's always for me as a derivative trader, it's expiry to expiry. Alright. Now, what about Stratazon fund? Stratazon fund in the month of April, it made 4%. In the month of May, it made 3.5%. In the month of June, it again made around 4.5%, which officially works out to roughly 12% for the entire quarter. I think this is one of the mind-blowing quarters that we have achieved. When market has tanked so much, we are up. It's really a celebration time for us. And now we are becoming more cautious, because whenever market gives us money, the next quarter there can be a bit of turbulence and we should be ready for it. So this month, in the month of June, we did about roughly 36 lakhs profit on a capital of about 8 crores, and which is officially about 4.5% profit returns. This is our achievements this month. And subsequent month, which is July, the current expiry, we are roughly adding another couple of crores, and 10 crores is at stake. And this month so far, I think we have done about 1.8% profit roughly for the last 1 week, and a lot of money came on Thursday, the expiry day, 2 days ago. So where are we heading as a fund, as an organization? We are slowly moving into stability phase. After all the drawdowns, underwater equities, now we have reached a bit of matured scenario and we are in the stability phase. And the equity curve, we hope that it will be slightly smoother going forward with the kind of strategies we have introduced and the combination of strategies, asset classes, the controls, the risk mitigation ideology that we have established. The financial year started amazingly well with the 12% profit we achieved, and I personally aspire to achieve 36% this year. Now I have done already 12% for this quarter. With 3 quarters to go, I want to achieve at least another 24%. Roughly, if I can manage to earn about 8% each quarter, I'll be quite happy, and anything more is bonus for me. So we added around 3 customers overall last month, and now the total asset under management is roughly about 8 crores, and 2 crores are getting added this month. Okay, this is in a nutshell. In the year 2016, I still remember we were trading with a capital of around 15 lakhs. So in 5 years, maybe 6 years from then, 6 or 72 months, we have reached a level which is probably 50 times the size of the fund, and I am hopeful by end of March we will be confidently managing at least about 15 crores fund, and by March 2024 I am aspiring to touch a 50 crore fund for the Stratazon. So the target for the financial year stands at around 20 crores. Okay, so if any one of you want to become our affiliate, if you believe in our process model, if you believe in our strategies, if you believe in our integrity, our structure, our overall story, you can always be part of the family. So our mission for Stratazon is to build strategies and manage points of at least 500 crores by 2030. So we want to build more and more strategies, make it a wholesome package with a respectable equity curve where we can consistently achieve 25% kind of CAGR year on year. So our goal is 20 crores for this financial year, and I am expanding my strategy base. Currently we have a 10-member development team today. Maybe in the next couple of years that count will go to 2x. We will have about 20-25 developers working for us, and if you believe that Stratazon is capable of taking care of your money, you can refer your friends and families for Stratazon. See, Stratazon as an organization doesn't take money from customers. The money always lies with the customers in their demat. We will generally pay a referral pay of 1% of the capital that is deployed every year. For example, let us say an investor gives 25 lakhs, we will pay 25,000 for the as a referral bonus, and that 25,000 will be paid every year as long as the customer sticks to Stratazon family. So please go ahead, read our blogs in Money Control, and the same links have been associated in our website stratazon.in/blogs. With this, we successfully come to the end of the show. I hope every one of you enjoyed the learnings, and every one of you got a fair and deeper insight about Stratazon and its performance. In the subsequent videos, I will come back to you with lot more information and lot more strategic information about Stratazon and our approach. Until then, signing off, Ashok Devanampriya from Stratazon. Thank you very much.
Are you tired of stock market losses? Tired of hundreds of boring indicators and the frequent drawdowns? Do you want to understand how to trade markets without indicators? How institutions cheating the retail traders, and how to make fair and consistent trading methods? The answer is IT3T Mega Webinar, India's most comprehensive and 100% money back guarantee training program for stock market investing and trading. And what do you learn from this webinar? Techno fundamental investing, WD GAN techniques, precision price action trading, the option trading strategies, algo trading, and also trading psychologies. So it is a package of 200 world-class investing and trading books jam-packed into the 12 days of webinar. And what you can expect from IT3T: genuine training program with examples and assignments, no indicators, real-life examples, proven and reliable methods. And what you shouldn't be expecting is holy grail formulas, zero loss strategies, 90% win rate stories, get quick rich Ponzi schemes. And we also have students across the globe. The three things IT3T always promises is 100% money back guarantee program, 100% brokerage credit, 100% lifetime learning. But that's not it. We have an early bird offer for you at just 35,000 rupees for first 25 students. So how do you enroll the IT3T program? Simple. Just log on to www.i3t3.in or contact our webinar manager